Hey guys, it's Alfonso. In this video we're going to be going over some calculator tips and tricks. So some advice during the test. Don't spend incredibly long on a word problem. Sometimes you're going to need to skip. Usually if you're stuck, just move on. Don't concentrate on others. You can get easily distracted by hearing them flip or going fast. Remember to concentrate on your own test. Do all the punch problems first, then go back and do the word and geometry problems. However, you should only do this if you're fast, and you can test this strategy on your own time and see if it benefits you. However, if you aren't fast and it doesn't benefit you, then go through the test normally. While doing word and geometry problems, check if your answer is realistic. So some advice outside of the test. Remember to take practice tests. Here you can figure out if you're fast enough to do that strategy I mentioned before. And remember to time yourself. You only have 30 minutes to take the test, so that timer is applicable when you take these practice tests as well. So figure out how you want to set up for the test. Knowing where you should put your calculator, your case, your pencil, and your test allows you to be more efficient. Figure out what you're weak at, things such as word and geometry problems, consistency, accuracy, and speed, and focus on those to improve. Memorize the keys. Similar to a keyboard, this boosts speed and doesn't require you to look at the calculator, while typing. So in this, you should remember to memorize like basic keys such as enter, clear, the numbers 1 through 9, and your operator symbols. So, however, you might not remember like square roots or sine, cosine, tangent, and that's alright to look at your calculator again. Remember to get a good night's sleep prior to a meter test, and don't eat foods that can easily make you groggy or tired. So we're going to be going over some tricks. In this first trick, the times 10 to the 0 trick. If your answer is 4.93 times 10 to the 0, you can just write your answer as 4.93. It's acceptable since your answer is 3 significant digits, and 4.93 times 10 to the 0 is same as 4.93. Since 10 to the 0 is 1, 4.93 times 10 to the 0 is 4.93. This saves you time, and it's applicable to any answer that ends with times 10 to the 0. Then times 10 to the first trick. For example, your answer is 1.23 times 10 to the first. You can write your answer as 12.3. Why can we do this? 10 to the first is 10. 1.23 times 10 to the first is 12.3. This means all you have to do is move the decimal point to the right once and take out times 10 to the first. So you can write your answer as just 12.3. This is acceptable since it's 3 significant digits. Again, this is going to save you time. So I'm going to be going over entering since it was quite confusing in the reverse Polish notation video. And if you guys still don't get it, that's fine. But we're going to be going over it using this. So we're going to be going over this using our example here and these steps. So when you enter a number, it will get duplicated to the bottom. So I entered 284. It gets duplicated to the bottom as well. However, you can immediately start typing in the next number, which is 688. Now I press my operator symbol, which was multiply. After I press my operator symbol, I can immediately start typing in the next number, 1490. As you saw, it immediately shifted up our previous result within the parentheses to the second line, and now 1490 is in the bottom. Now I can press my division. However, if you want to do another part of the equation, you will have to redo steps 1 to 3. So, when I press 314, or 314, it immediately shifted the answer in the numerator to the top. But since I haven't pressed an operator symbol, I will have to press enter again. Now you saw it gets duplicated. Now I can put in 7.68. Here I can press my operator symbol, and now I can start typing in another number. It shifted my result in the parentheses again, and I can add the result in the parentheses and 844. Now, since my numerator result is in the top and denominator result is in the bottom, I can divide. So if that was still confusing, I can go over that again in hopefully in-person tutorials, but you can also see this play out in our next video where I'll be going over some punch problems. So see you next time.